So here's the ATRN daily chart. We've done this one, I think, 2 or 3 times. If you follow the videos, I'm sure you've seen this one before, but I've had quite a few questions come in asking about it. More so people just want to know if everything's still okay. And depending on your strategy, meaning if you're a day trader and you bought somewhere a pair, then yeah, you're probably in some pain right now. But for the people that, and I believe this pertains to most people, but if you're in this for a longer term swing trade or just the overall chart, everything's fine and dandy. There's nothing to panic about from the charting perspective. It actually today acted exactly the way you would want to see it. So what I want to do is just kind of go over what those things are, and if you've seen the past videos that have been done on ATRN, a lot of this will be review, but I just want to go over what we want to see continue to happen, as the week wraps up and then going into next week. So for the people that saw the last videos, this blue line here is the 10-day simple moving average, and you remember me talking about it, saying this was the one level of support that you'd like to see hold. And then sure enough today you can see, look at that, price came down and bounced right off of it, so that's a nice little sign right there. But at the end of the day, this is the ideal support level, but the level that we really want to see hold, and like I said, I've mentioned this in the past video, is this 3-cent level. And in all actuality, just to show the strength of the chart, this 3-cent level is the key level of support, yes, but when we look at the price, you will notice that not only has it held, but it hasn't even been tested. You can see these days that have dropped down here haven't even tested the 3-cent level. So that, if that's not a sign of strength, I don't know what is. So that's just great there. The 3-cent was the ideal level to hold, but it hasn't even been tested yet. So a nice strong area or consolidation going on right now. Now, if it is tested, that's fine, but that's where we want to see it hold. But kind of the new level that's kind of crept into things is this gray line here, which is a 20-day simple moving average. The last time I did a video, I remember it was still medium term was bearish, but now the medium term has gone neutral. And the reason I call it neutral is because you can see here, this longer term moving average is clearly going sideways now. Short-term trend, very evident and very clearly is bullish given the nice slope to this one. But the medium-term trend has now gone neutral too, so as long as the price remains above this moving average, this will eventually turn up, and that will trigger, a medium-term uptrend too. In terms of volume, real good action. Any technical analysis book, if you Google it or whatever, during consolidation, you want to see volume decrease. So big volume right here on the move upwards, and then during this consolidation, very clear that volume has dropped off. So from a volume kind of action standpoint, acting exactly the way you would. In terms of resistances, that's easy. The main level right now is up here at 0.0548. So until that gets broken and closed above, I'm not going to really talk too much about resistances. But for the time being, it's just simply consolidating. 3 cents is the ideal level that you want to see hold. But if it doesn't, then this 20-day simple moving average, which is valued at 0.0248, will be the next level of support that you want to see hold. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big board. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free, no strings attached. So I encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was ATRN. Thanks for listening.